Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want your completed runs to appear automatically in Strava, Runna lets you sync the workouts directly so you don't need to upload them manually. In this guide I will show you step by step how to sync Runna workouts to Strava in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, what syncing Runna to Strava means? So syncing workouts means your completed Runna runs appear in Strava. Distance, space, and time are transferred. Activities show in your Strava feed. No manual upload or uploads needed. So it creates an automatic data flow between the apps. Okay. So first thing first, connect Runna to Strava before syncing workouts. Open the Runna app, tap your profile icon. Okay. As you can see, connected apps here. Select Strava. Tap connect or link with Strava and log into your Strava account and tap authorize. So this enables automatic syncing. Okay, so now start a workout in Runna. Okay, so finish the session, tap save. Only saved workouts will sync. Okay, so after saving the workouts, Runna sends the activity to Strava. Sync usually takes a few seconds to minutes. Make sure you have internet connection. Open the Strava app, go to your activity feed. You should see your latest Runna workouts, distance, time, and pace details also. So the workouts should appear automatically there. Okay, so that's it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.